Which LED grow light is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the best fit for your plants. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 1,000-watt LED grow lights that could take your indoor garden to the next level. Product number 1, BESTVA DC2000. First up is the BESTVA DC2000 LED grow light. Priced at $129.99, this light caught my attention with its impressive 1176 high-quality LEDs. If you want your plants to thrive at every stage of growth, this is worth a serious look. It features adjustable modes that cater to both vegetative and blooming stages, allowing your tomatoes and peppers to flourish. Plus, the 120-degree beam angle ensures coverage for a space up to 3x3 ft. With 1,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users are seeing great results. Now, some people complained about the weight of this lamp, saying it can be a bit heavy to hang. Here's the thing though, it's built to last. That sturdy design means it won't fall easily, giving you peace of mind while you cultivate your garden. This is perfect for you if you're serious about indoor gardening and want a reliable light source. Skip this one if you have a very small grow space, as it might be overkill for that. For the price, it offers fantastic value for what you get. Now, if the weight of the BESTVA DC2000 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, King LED KP1000. Next is the King LED KP1000, priced at a budget-friendly $47.99. What grabbed my attention was its impressive 5,300 reviews with a solid 4.5-star rating. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective option, this is worth considering. It has 3 adjustable modes: Veg for leafy greens, Bloom for fruits and flowers, and a combined mode for all stages. This flexibility means you can use it throughout the entire growth cycle without needing multiple lights. And at just 100 watts, it's energy efficient, making it great for your wallet. Now, some users did mention that the instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the ease of adjusting the height with ratchet hangers makes it pretty user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or on a budget looking to grow a variety of plants. Skip this one if you need something with a dimming feature, as it doesn't have that capability. For the price, it's a solid performer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing your grow space. Product number 3, Spider Farmer SF1000. The Spider Farmer SF1000 comes in at $69.99 and boasts a 4.6-star rating from over 12,300 reviews. What caught my eye was its cutting-edge LED chips that promise unrivaled performance. If you want a high-efficiency light that won't break the bank, this is worth your attention. It supports a full-spectrum output, including IR light, which is essential for boosting yields during the flowering phase. The design ensures uniform light coverage, even deep into the canopy, which is what you want for optimal growth. Plus, it runs silently, making it perfect for indoor spaces. Now, some users pointed out that it can get quite warm. Here's the thing though, as long as you have good ventilation, it stays manageable, and that heat can actually aid in plant growth. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performance light that offers flexibility in growth stages. Skip this one if you need something that stays completely cool with no heat output, as it might not meet that need. Overall, it's a great option for the price. Now, if the warmth of the SF1000 is a concern for you, the next product might just be the cooler option you're looking for. Product number 4, FESI-1200W equivalent. Next up is the FESI-1200W equivalent LED grow light, priced at $59.99. What really stood out to me is its promise of delivering the same intensity as a traditional 1200W light while only drawing 130W of power. If energy efficiency is your priority, this is worth considering. It features a smooth dimming option that allows you to tailor the brightness to your plant's needs. Additionally, the daisy chain design lets you connect multiple lights together, reducing the need for extra outlets. This is super convenient if you're setting up a larger grow area. However, some users found the dimming feature not as precise as they would like. I'll be real with you, while it's not perfect, it still gives you enough flexibility to adjust based on your plant's growth stages. This is perfect for you if you want an energy-efficient light that can scale up as your garden grows. Skip this one if you need finer control over lighting, as it may not meet those expectations. For what it offers, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, the final product on our list might just blow you away. Product number 5, Mars Hydro TS1000. Last but not least is the Mars Hydro TS1000, available for $85.49. What caught my attention is its patented reflector design that claims to increase light utilization by 25%. If you want maximum efficiency from your grow light, this is definitely worth a look. Its adjustable dimming feature allows you to customize light intensity with ease, making it perfect for various plant types. Plus, it has a remarkable coverage area, supporting spaces up to 3x3 ft, which is ideal for most home growers. Some users reported issues with the light not being as bright as expected. But here's the thing, the light is designed for efficiency, so it may not have that intense brightness of traditional lights, but it compensates with better light absorption by plants. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and efficient grow light that can handle various stages of plant growth. Skip this one if you prefer something that offers higher brightness levels right off the bat. For the performance and features, it offers excellent value. Now let's wrap this up with a quick comparison of these 5 lights. So to recap, the BESTVA DC2000 offers great full-spectrum light and adjustable modes. The KingLED KP1000 is budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. The Spider Farmer SF1000 provides high efficiency and dimming capabilities. The Feeside DA1200W equivalent is energy efficient with a daisy chain feature. And the Mars Hydro TS1000 is known for its patented reflector design and adjustable dimming.